What's up, everybody? I'm going to be showing you guys the new Cashmagnet update. And from what I see so far and what I've experienced, it's been very, very good to me. It seems like I'm earning twice as much as I normally did on the past app. They've done a really good job with this app. They totally revamped the menu screen and all that good stuff. But let's go to the screen that it might look like when you first open the app. You're going to have a start, and you're going to have your passive time. What you want to do when you first open the app is go to games and click on this. It probably is going to say 0, but click right here. And they're called sponsored games. They're going to come up. Download every single one of them, because each one is going to add to your passive time. And now you see the watch install. That's actually like a paid to download promotion. So you're gonna keep this on your phone. I believe it's 4 or 5 days, and then you're gonna be credited a total of 440 points. And then it's actually gonna tell you. See, this one's at 1 day. I've got 320 of 44, 440. But once the day is up, it'll give me this notification right here. I can go here. Oh, app is done. I can uninstall it. I don't have to be adding anything up or anything like that. It's done. Now, the reason you're going to be wanting to do watch and installs is because for the levels on Cashmagnet, that's part of what you're going to have to do. For level 4, you're going to have to do 5 watch and installs per device. So I've done 1 on this phone. And check it out. Let's go to levels over here, and it'll tell you how many watch and installs you've done. See, I've done 3. I'm getting closer than I am on this phone. But your points will go up per hour for games and surfing. Games are the ones that you install, the sponsored ones that help the app run. And then your watch and installs will actually go up. So remember, it was 440. Next level would be 470. And as far as the points go and the redeeming, you can click up here in the top left and bottom right, I think, that one. And it's about every 1,000 points is going to be $1. And if you actually bank your points up, this would probably be the best option for you guys to do, because you're saving 1,000 points. You start going into PayPal, you're going to be paying a little bit more extra because they got the fees and stuff. And something to go with the Cashmagnet reputation. A lot of people say, oh, Cashmagnet takes so long to pay. Yeah, they have taken long to pay, but they always do pay. I've never not received a payment from Cashmagnet. So, and with the new platform, maybe they're going to pay quicker. Who knows? But they pay. So once you get on this home screen, you're also going to have a chart like here. This is going to tell you your earnings each day. If you click on the point, so for yesterday, I earned 467 points, but that's not per account. That's actually per phone. Check it out. I'll show you. 431. Here's another phone, 290. And let's click this one on the home screen. Takes a little bit to respond, but There we go. 505. So almost $2. But yeah, the last update I was only making maybe about $1 or less. This update I'm making pretty much double. So a lot better as far as earnings go. So if you're new, basically what you want to do, again, when you first open the app, go to your games and download all these games. This is going to increase your passive time. But like I said, once you download all these games and you press start and you're running this app, it's going to run itself. You don't have to babysit it. You don't have to click, are you still watching? You don't have to do none of that. This is a very passive app. Really great way to earn some extra money. And you figure $2 a day, you're earning 50 cents per phone. That's really good in the world of phone farming. You might have to wait a little bit for your cash out, but who cares? At least you're going to get it. But very great update that they did. I hope you guys check it out. I'll leave my referral link in the description below. If you guys want to support the channel, that helps out a lot. And happy farming, happy earnings. Take it easy, guys.